kwanga kusingadana anonzwa kuheroes uyezve nekudefense forces day apo patachiona mama bay mama VP bay vanga vakachena vabva vataura ivo pafacebook yavo vachiti ivo happy defense forces day to us. Today's dress was inspired by Ndebele Queen with a Mutapa hat, a theme to incorporate different aspects of history of Zimbabwe. When I told Etisozinio that I wanted a great Zimbabwe ruins plus Ndebele culture inspired dress, I thought I was pushing him too hard, but as always, he never disappoints. She's talking about the designer who designed this. And you remember during the time of independence, she came out with a stunning dress. You see that stunning dress, and now she has pulled out this one. You know, she's proving kuti quality vanoziva. And zvimwe zvachonawo VP and also Apostle Chiwenga, aradza kuti vanhu vanoziva choice. Anyway, let me too before ndaiswa paspecial mukuchechi. But this is second lady's taste in fashion, and she knows how to grab the headlines, she knows how to grab the attention. And you recall she did the same when she was showing us her 18 April dress. This one, it is really nice. And I also think that she needs a personal photographer so that he can take or she can take these stunning photos. And that is my own personal opinion. I'll see you on the next video.